Hello everyone, today I want to start my new series of videos. It's called HSK 汉字 and today of course I will focus on HSK 1 汉字. So I will go through with you about 150 characters in the HSK 1 required list. So today let's look at our first. Today in this video you will learn 12 characters because in one page I have prepared 6 characters for you and we will do 2 pages. Okay, now let's look at our first character. The first one is the. So it has 2 meanings. The first meaning, it word means of. It means the marker of the attributive. Here is the example. 这是我的书. It means this is my book. So here 我的 means my. So it will mark the attributive of someone's something. So 这是我的书. The second meaning it will also use after an adjective. So here 善良 is an adjective. 善良的 it means someone is really kind. 善良的 so adjective plus 的 and 好吃的 means tasty. Like 好吃的东西 something is tasty. Here 善良的人 means kind man, 善良的人 kind man. So we also use the in a very important structure if we're expressing the emphasis. So here 是什么什么的 是什么什么的 This sentence 我是坐飞机来中国的 I took the plane to come to China. 是什么什么的 You will emphasize this way that I come to China. You will emphasize this part. 坐飞机来的，而不是坐火车来的，而不是坐轮船来的。所以是什么什么的。Okay, these are the 3 basic use of the Chinese. So let's look how to write the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 So the have 8 stroke 八画 and its radical is by is the left part is the radical of the. Okay, now let's move on. The second character is E. It's really simple. It just simply means 1 in Chinese, E, but we have some usual used word in Chinese. Let's look at the first word. It's called 一点儿. 一点儿 means a little. 一点儿. Here is a sentence. 我只有一点钱. I'd only have a little money. 钱 means money. So 一点 means a little. 只 only. 有 means have. So I only have a little money. 我只有一点钱. And the next one is 一块. 一块 means with and together. 一块. So, well, it's so simple to write, right? E, just 1 stroke. E. So, the third character is called 是 and it have 2 meanings. The first one, it means be is the verb, means the be. The first sentence, 他不是学生 means he is not a student. So here 是 means is. It's a verb here. So 学生 means student. 他不是学生. He is not a student. And the next meaning is means yes. Yes, when you answer something, you will say 是 in the Chinese. Okay, let's look at this. 你是中国人吗? Are you a Chinese? 是，我是中国人. Yes, I'm Chinese. So here, this 是 means yes. So now let's look at how to write 是. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it's nice strokes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, now let's look at the first one. The first one is 不. So the meaning of this is really easy. It means no or not. No means it's a adverb. Here 我不是学生 means I'm not a student. But you may see that here we will pronounce 不. We will pronounce the second tone here because 不是 you will hear very horrible, right? Very harsh. So we will turn this first tone to the second tone to make it sound more comfortable. So we will pronounce 我不是学生 I'm not a student. The same, we will also have for example here 不客气. We also have 客 is also the first tone, right? So we will turn the 不 to 不客气 means you are welcome. 不客气. Okay, now here we also have more words for you. 不想 means don't want. 不想. And next one 不喝 means don't drink. Don't want to drink. 不喝. And next one 对不起means I'm sorry. 对不起. Okay, now let's write 不 together. 1 2 3 4. So it's only 4 strokes. 1 2 3 4. 不. Then let's move on. The next character for you is 在. And the first meaning is it's a verb. Means 在 plus some direction or some place. It means be at or be on some place. The first one 我在家. 家 means home. So I'm at home. 我在家. And the next sentence 书在桌子上 means the book is on the desk. Here 在 means be on. The book is on the desk. 桌子 means the desk. And you also have a second usage. You just use 在 plus a verb. It means that doing something. Here, let's look at this sentence. 我在吃饭呢. Here it means I'm eating. 吃饭 eat. 我在吃饭 means I'm eating. And here is also a compound words for you. 现在 It means now. So it's a noun. Here, this sentence 现在是12点 means now is 12 o'clock. 点 means o'clock. Okay, now let's look at how to write this character. 在 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's 6 stroke. And the next one 人 means human being or the person or the people, it will use as a noun. So we have some words. First one, 人们，人们 means people, 人们. And next one, 好人，好人 means the kind man, 好 means kind. And the third one, 坏人，坏人 means the bad man, 坏 means the bad. So these two are the opposites, 好人和坏人. So let's write 人 together. It's so simple, just two stroke, 撇 那 so we have write 人 撇那. Okay, that's the first six characters. So now let's move on to our second pages. The first one is 有 有. It has two meanings. The first is have, used as a verb. 有我有一个女儿 means I have a daughter. 女儿 means daughter. And next one, you also can use as a be or there be. Here we have 桌子上有本书 means there is a book on the desk. So here there is 有 here means there is. And we have the opposite word 没有 没有 it means not have, don't have. Here 他没有朋友 means he do not have friends. He do not have friends. 没有. So let's write this character. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's 6 strokes. Now let's look at next one. 我 it simply means I or me. It's a pronoun. So 我是一个学生 means I'm a student. 学生 means student. Next one, 我们 means we or us. 我们都是学生 we are all students. 都是 means are all students. So let's write 我 together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, and next one, 他 it means he or him. It's also a pronoun. Here, 他是我们的老师 means he is our teacher. 我们的 means our, and 老师 means teacher. He is our teacher. And we also add a 们, and then we will indicate that this 他们 is means they or them. 他们 So let's write 他 together. 1 2 3 4 5. So 他 have 5 strokes. 1 2 3 4 5. 他. And next one is 这 and it simply means this. It's a pronoun here. Let's say this sentence. 这个人是我的同学. Here it means this guy is my classmate. 同学 means classmate. 我的 my. So 这个人 means this guy or this man. It's my classmate. And we also have the word here 这 it means here or 这里. Same meaning here. Here 我能坐这里吗? May I sit here? 我能坐这里吗? Here. 能 means may. May I sit here? Okay, now let's write 这 together. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7. Yes, but we will connect this together. Let's do it again. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7. So it's 7 strokes. Now let's move on. The next one is 个. 个 is just a measure word, very commonly used measure word in Chinese. Here, 我是一个学生 means I'm a student. So here, but we have to add a measure word in Chinese. That's the difference with English. Okay? But we also have some words for you. 个人 means individual. 个人 and the next one 个别 it means some. 个别学生 some students. Okay, let's write 个 together. 1、2、3. So it just 3 strokes, right? And the last one, 们, but we have look at this, right? 我们 means we or us, and 人们 means people. 我们都是学生 we are all students. We have learned this sentence already. So let's write our last character together. 们 1、2、3、4、5. So it just have 5 strokes. Okay, that's all of our HSK 1 and episode 1's character. I hope that you can learn some useful usage and you should know how to write this character. Please download the PDF and try to practice yourself. So see you next video. Bye bye.